All right, so you are a little sick and tired of paying rent, and I don't blame you. So today I'm going to give you my 3 steps toward becoming a homeowner, and we're going to get right to this because it's very important. All right, the first step, in my opinion, to becoming a homeowner is start getting rid of some credit card debt, right? If you have a credit card that has a $1,000 limit, get that balance down so low all the way to the floor, right? Get it down to $250 and lower, and maybe just stop using it for a while. Only use it for gas and groceries, but you don't want to close it. Just lower it so that you can become a stronger candidate when you start to submit offers for buying a house. My second step toward becoming a homeowner is start doing a little bit of research, right? Start to research and learn how much you can afford. Decide how much you can comfortably pay per month. Last but certainly not least, all right, my third step toward becoming a homeowner and firing that landlord is to start saving, right? You want to reduce frivolous spending and start saving. Any extra money you get, tax returns, whatever it may be. The reason this is important, right? Say once you start looking for a house and you go and visit 20 homes, but at home number 21, it is your dream home. You love it. You can already see your family there. But guess what? 5 other people think the same thing. So now you're in a bidding war. You're fighting for the house of your dreams, right? So a stronger candidate has a stronger credit score, also has some money saved. All right. This is how, or these are things that are looked at when sellers are choosing a buyer in a multiple offer situation. Here's some bonus information. Once you've saved your money, you've done some research, it's time to find a great realtor who can help you buy that dream home. Also, you want to find a good lender. Don't choose random lenders from the internet, but find a good lender. Your realtor should be able to help you to do that. But sometimes good lenders can give you tips on getting your credit score even a little bit more higher. And another bonus, why is it even important to fire your landlord, right? Some people don't think home ownership is necessary. Well, my opinion, personally, I would always choose to be an owner than a renter, and there are several reasons. When you're renting, you may have to pack up and move at any given moment. That's number one, especially when you're in a house. The person can decide to sell whenever they see fit, right? So your circumstances are based on somebody else's situation, right? That is the difference in being a homeowner versus being a renter. And say, for example, you're in an apartment or a condo, right? More than likely, these people will sell to investors, but when you're in an apartment living and stuff like that, you have to worry about the people above you, the people next door. So, and last but not least, why it's important to be an owner opposed to a renter is you build equity, right? You could find yourself living in your place for free. Say you buy a property and you move in 5 years, right? You may get so much money back when you sell your property that it was like you lived for free. All right, so that's it. That's real estate news from the D. And I am going to get out of this smoking hot weather. It's going to be 90 degrees today. So I thank you for watching, and tune in next week for more real estate news from the D with Katina Willis.